In this video, I'll be discussing the 3D Osnap. So we've already talked about object snap way back in the day, and the object snap, when we're drawing a circle, it lets us snap to midpoints, to centers, to quadrants, to all these great things that allow us to draw so much easier. But as we were drawing the flanged elbow specifically, I know I had a lot of trouble getting sketches where I wanted them. For example, let's say I wanted to draw a sketch on this face here that I'm highlighting. And I want to draw it in the center of this circular face. It's not snapping for me. If I hover over the quadrants, I see that center lights up for me. So if I move my mouse down, I should be able to draw on that center. Right now I'm drawing a circle. But when I click, it's drawing in the wrong direction. It's drawing along the wrong plane. So last week I showed you guys how to manipulate the UCS in order to draw on that face, and you could totally do that. You could move the UCS onto this face, and then of course it'll be much easier to draw the circle in the direction that you want. But this is harder than it needs to be. We shouldn't need to manipulate the UCS in order to allow ourselves to draw something as simple as a circle on a face. And it is not that difficult. Here's what you need to do. Just like before with our object snap settings, you're going to type Osnap, no H, although if you type it with the H, it will still detect what you're talking about. Sometimes I forget and type O with the H snap anyway. But type Osnap, you hit enter. And this will show us our object snap options. Yours should look exactly like mine do right now. If they don't in any way, please fix that. And if you look up here at these tabs, you'll notice there's one labeled 3D Object Snap. So let's go ahead and click on that. You'll notice that by default, 3D Object Snap is off. And you'll notice here it says F4. So if you ever accidentally hit F4, that might turn it on or off. Let's turn it on right now. And then we see here there are all these options and they're not all selected. Let's click select all. And just like with our object snap settings where we don't have nearest selected, I want you to not have nearest to face or nearest to plane selected, because those tend to detect things that we don't necessarily want to detect because they detect way too many points. We really want these key points, these vertexes, these midpoints, these centers. Once you have yours set up the way that I have mine, hit OK, and then you should be able to snap to the centers of faces without issue. Oh, here, it's highlighted. I just couldn't see it. And draw on those faces. No problem. So, again, you want to make sure your 3D Osnap settings look like this.